Hi everyone. So is washing too much bad for your skin? This is one of the biggest questions in the media at the moment surrounding skin health, and actually one of the biggest newspapers in Portugal published an article with this name and they cited my research. So I just want to address this question, and the answer is that it's a complete myth. So it's not the washing itself which is bad for your skin, but using everyday cosmetic products on your skin like detergents, shower gels, soaps. And the synthetic ingredients or the synthetic chemicals inside these are known to damage the skin's natural environment. And this is your skin's microbiome. And the skin's microbiome is just all the organisms, the trillions of organisms living on your skin. And you may not know, but we are only 40% human and 60% microbe. So it's absolutely crucial that we preserve, enhance and protect this microbiome on the skin and protect these organisms. Water itself is known to be not damaging whatsoever to the skin's microbiome. So next time you're in the shower or next time you read one of these articles, remember it's not washing itself which is bad for your skin, but the everyday cosmetics you're using on your skin.